Okay, hello YouTube, this is wynncraft Season 1. Hello YouTube, this is Define Plays wynncraft Season 1, Episode 2. Last episode, I was with my friend Active Visit. See, I got forced him to play this game because, see, out of my friends, I'm really the only one who still plays this game. Okay? So, last time I was level 6, I did like almost level 7. And I did a bit of grinding off cam. Just because just to get to level 7, you know? Not 1 hour. And my video should be up now. I'm just saying that I hope it is. Like my episode 1 video, because it was very late. The episode 1 video was very late. Oh my gosh, one. I so wish I had this skip scroll. Okay, into here. Okay, so just for sound please. Okay, so just so I could do it. Yeah, so the reason why that one's so late is just because I promise you guys, the first video that you make on YouTube is going to be your hardest. And yeah, I put my stats into here. You can see that I got one more agility because agility plus 2 agility plus 2. It's 4 agility I was here, but now I can do all these things because, so you see, my friend Garnell told me this, remember he's active visit, subscribe, and comment this channel. Okay, so yeah, because, you see, I level 21 or something, I forgot what it is, I forgot what it is, let me quickly check, /classes, the recording still, don't worry, yes, I level 21, you get this bomb arrow, which is like this. It's a really strong thing. It's basically like literally shooting a bomb, and it like buffs all of these things up, like the chances of these things happening. Like, so basically right now I get oil, thunder, water, fire, and wind, and air, and my bomb ability. That's all the 5 abilities I can get. Oh my gosh, he's spawning. Okay, so let's just quickly buy potion or 2. Oh yeah, I forgot that this actually have this. Stop. And just so you know, this goes, I'm hoping for 4 seasons. You know, I really love wynncraft because there's, actually no, 5 seasons, because there is 5 classes, and I want to complete the game with each one, you know, just to show you that, because now these days, if someone wants to look up a wynncraft video about, Ultra, that's what I usually like to look up about, it's hard to find, because most people only do 1 season, and I just do that. So, I'm just, no offense to any of the other YouTubers, but like, it's just that I'm still not a full YouTuber yet. Like, I'm on YouTube, but like, it's just, I watch YouTube like every single day. I watch YouTube like every single day of my life. And really, that's basically it. So, yeah. Okay, so, new quest, underwater. So, okay, let's look at our quest books. Cook assistant, underwater, and prison story. Prison story and cook assistant unsorted. Cook assistant is pretty easy. All you have to do, all you have to have is just emeralds, you know. And you just have to kill some trees. Don't copy it. Please. Okay, sorry. Now the way I'm going to do is just like do it across like this. This one has already been leveled. Let's just be honest here. Those are things. And so, I'm just going to kind of walk you through Wynncraft. I have not been in the game, but I've gotten into. I've gone to like page 20, and I had a brown horse, but really after that, that's all I know, except, well, that's all I play. I know a lot more because of me constantly watching YouTube. Now I actually have an excuse to tell my parents, and they'll say, you do nothing in your room, you're so lazy. You're so lazy stuff. My parents actually don't say much. But like, if I had a mini fridge and a toilet in my room, I would never do it. No joke. And I always wanted a YouTube channel, so yeah. And so you see, I'm going to put the IP in the description this time. I forgot to do it last time. Sorry about that, but I'm going to put the IP in the description this time. Plus 16. Okay, great. Okay, so 4 seconds. Oh wait. Oh, can't hold that. Oh wait, but I have it on to sell. I really wish they fixed the powders because, like, I used to play with the powders. They're really good. I love the powders. Like, it just made it fun. Like, it just add that little extra spark. No puns included. A lot more health, so just 2 less, you know? Oh, it's been 10 minutes, maybe 12, because I'm lost on the time. I forget the time. because okay, so let me tell you about the Ragni mercenaries. So way back then, me and my friend, we stayed in Ragni for a while, and like I loved the mercenary. Like mercenaries were just added, I named him Bob. Oh wait. Oh, I'm so glad to see you. My name is Owen. I've been detained to the self-volatiles. A kind adventurer named Juan was about to give me the key to escape, but then he got scared away by some guards. He's probably hiding in the sewers. If you could get the key back for me, it would be wonderful. You can access the sewers by jumping into everything that surrounds the suds. So I thought a prisoner should have a crazy voice. What was he even locked up in there for? Like, seriously, everyone who does this quest, they always ask, why am I just giving a guy a prison key? Like, what has he done to be in prison for 20 years? Because you know, if someone's in prison for 20 years, you know something's wrong about it. And also, he gives you emeralds, so if he had emeralds, why couldn't he just bail himself out? I think that's insane. Oh yeah, here's Cook Assistant. I'm going to try and get these two done in the episode. Okay. I can't believe what's happening to me. The king ordered me to bake cakes for all the new recruits. Unfortunately, I don't have the ingredients to make them. And nobody sells these items in the fort. You think you could get me 2 eggs, 1 bucket of milk, and 3 meat really quick? Yeah, but I gotta do this. Other questions I've got free a prisoner. I think I have to kill him now. La 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 la. Oh my gosh. I'm going to feel like but like I'm not going to do a face reveal, so if you comment me like Divine, do a face reveal, I'm just not going to do it because it's just some personal stuff, you know. I'm not ugly. I'm magnificent. I'm magnificent, gorgeous. I'm gorgeous. Just hey Bob. Hey Bob. Sup, my main man Bob. Yo Bob. How's Bob going? Yeah, so you see, everyone in this village is named Bob, but this guy, he's a rebel. He's named Fred. He's a rebel. Don't care? I don't even know why someone has this in their house. Fire! I'm a rebel, and he's a savage. I'm a rebel, but he's a savage. No. Okay, okay, so I got the skeleton key and poison key. Okay, so, whoa, you're not with the guards, are you? Thank God. Yes, I do have the prison key. Here it is. Hopefully we can free the prisoner. Why do we even want to free this prisoner? Why didn't he just escape if he had that? Some things in Minecraft just don't make logic. Wait, how much we throwing? Now listen. Mercenaries are hired people who are hired to do. Then I wouldn't say they're like hired, like indentured slaves, like they get paid. I wouldn't say they're like that. They're not like assassins, so I think we need. They're not like assassins, but like they get paid to like assassinate someone. Assassins, they have like a boss, and their boss just like. So see, assassins, they do it more stealthy, but mercenaries, they don't care if there's a crowd or not. They'll just walk up with their sword, stab that person, walk out. But assassins, you see, an assassin would like wait till the right moment and like plan out it strategically, and like probably have like a sniper and like a dagger, and probably just like when there's the least amount of people and he's at the Pacific angle. Oh my God. Okay, if you people don't know how favorable Bob's tier is, welcome to wynncraft. Okay, well, if we got the key, although I kind of got used to it, so I think I'm gonna stay for a bit. However, I'm not greedy. He's trying to 18 emeralds. How do you have 18 emeralds? Thank you again. I'll show you this so soon, and that'll catch you. But really, like Bob's tier, it's a very rare item. Like once, me and my friend, just for selling one Bob's tier, me and my friend, that was two people, me and him, we both got a diamond helmet and a diamond leggings. We both got, so there's 2 diamond helmets and 2 diamond leggings. Who wants Bob's tier? And there you guys are just gonna be thinking, what are you doing? But really, like, if it's only for 1 emerald block, then I ain't gonna do it. But let's be honest, if it's for an LE, a liquefied emerald, if someone's really that lazy, I will sell 10 Bob's tiers to them. An LE is a stack of blocks of emeralds. Now, the reincarnation of Bob should be somewhere. Oh yeah, I was like at the mercenary. I was like level 20 or around that. So yeah. Bob's lost soul. Yeah, it's supposed to do so much stuff, but I got pressed. And Bob's tier is one of those one of those items. Funny how one of the like largest quests, until they are like gone or something wrong, was like that was their like final quest until you got their like end deal items, but now I just don't know anymore. Like they give you a brick or something. have never done that quest because I'm super lazy. But really, I always wondered why? Wait, is this another skeleton? Nice. Why would someone give me that much stuff for a tier? And then I saw YouTube videos and I was just like, I'm getting ripped off. But I think the diamond stuff, that was fair. Oh yeah, now, oh yeah, the cookie system. How much time we got? Not about like 10 minutes. I'm hoping to become level 10 this episode. Maybe level 11. I'll try. No, we're becoming level 11. And on this episode, I will do the grind guide. Or maybe next episode, we will reach level 11, but at least in this episode, I want to be level 10. Nope. Hey, yo, punks. You don't really need to go to this town. You can go to any other town, but this is the town like closest to Wagny that has like basically everything you need for this quest. So this is my main town. If I need something, if I'm doing that quest, I just go to this town and bang boom, quest finished. But wanna know what I don't think is weird? Wanna know what I think is weird? Like, I'm just a new recruit. And, like, I'm fighting the undead. No. More like, I am one-shotting the undead. Like, in the perimeter of Wagny. I am literally to the Navla Forest and to Wagny and all of that area. I am one-shotting them. I'm just thinking, Wagny, how lazy could you be? Because, really, if they're having trouble, and besides, I feel like Doubtless should be the main town. Ooh, nice, I like that they load Villagers' house so you can keep killing them. You freaking regent! I hate you! Ooh, only 11 kills. Oh yeah, it must be because of... Yep. Just right there. Yeah, so you see, I watched ep2, and he said like, so if you just look back, your FPS is great. But if you look at this stone wall, it's so low because like behind that stone wall were millions of zombies. They're the chickens. I'm sorry, I'm afraid. for one of these chicken shops and eggs. Let me just buy some milk. He needs some milk. Do I have like no looting? Come on. Wait, let's get this. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, that touches this. I'm ready about Alpha Box. I got an animal key, but not an egg. A freaking animal key. You have to beat the spider dungeon to get an animal key. I didn't even know it was possible to get an animal key from a chicken. Yet, I bet it's a lower chance to get an animal key than an egg. I'm going to name this episode the Egg is Yes! I still don't think I got an animal key from a chicken. But oh yeah, and by the way, pizza has nothing to get worried about because when you go into an animal dungeon, it's something. It's like all of the animals got injected with like a strength and a crazy potion. Why? I'm a lazy bastard. My FPS usually isn't like this. I'm just saying, I don't have a bad computer. My computer is actually pretty great. Timer 2 minutes, so I might actually I might as well end it off after this quest. And if I'm really close to like level 10, then I might just grind to level 10. Well, that's me. I know that's somewhere. So now I'm wondering if zombies can drop zombie keys. Like zombie keys. Because that's after the animal dungeon, and like the zombies, they don't like call themselves. It's just like they go into like swarms, which like imagine a pack of like level 30 zombies. Imagine that, and just being surrounded by like 25 of them. Imagine how much damage that would do. Like you would basically get one shot. Well, maybe if we had a bomb spell. I had a bomb spell rather than 2 facing bullets. But whatever. Okay, so Nope, I'm not even close to level 10, so maybe level 11 is next episode. Great, you got all the ingredients. I can't thank you enough. Here, take these emeralds for all your trouble. I also have strange potions. I have no use for them, but I'll show you who. First, complete Coco Assistant, 100 XP points, 20 emeralds, and 3 potions. Okay, and that's the timer. Nope. That. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. I'll be here. So that was another episode of wynncraft. On the Fine Plays wynncraft, episode 1. Actually, no, season 1, episode 2. And so, oh my gosh, the luck. Okay, I actually might win. No, wait. I'm actually going to just subscribe. If you don't like it, subscribe. Well then. And so, that was another day at wynncraft. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. I'll try and get the video up. I'll try and get the video up as soon as I can, but I'm pretty lazy, so actually no, I'm trying to get the description up. The video is easy, but it's just the description. So please like and subscribe, and bye.